Well, they were strong. We were very pleased to announce what ended up being about a 10-cent beat. It was interesting. I was hearing your last discussion about integrations, how they can be sometimes full of risk, and ours certainly wasn't. It was the first full quarter that we had the benefit of our Scottrade conversion that happened in February. And so that really dropped a nice expense outperformance to the bottom line.
What about the appetite for risk, the trading activity overall, some of the market conditions? I mean, it was a quarter when we saw tariffs and threats of an increasing trade war really ratchet up.
Yeah, that certainly seems to be a topic, although it isn't translating into a higher volatility level. Obviously, 2 quarters ago, not the one we just reported on, but one before, there was extraordinary levels of retail activity. This past quarter, that actually abated a little bit, and now we're riding about a 12 or a 13 VIX, even though every day there seems to be an announcement of a pending global trade war. It does seem to boggle the mind, and we've been asking ourselves for quite some time, why is volatility so low given the size of these headlines?
Yeah, I mean, what's the answer to that? Is it complacency?
I think it is. We've had 10 years of a bull, and we've got a whole generation of investors that haven't seen anything other than this sort of inexorable rise up, even with ever-growing risky headlines. So it certainly feels like there's an element of complacency that is built in.
What are you seeing in terms of Bitcoin activity, and do you see this as a way to bring in younger investors?
Well, that's certainly what we saw, again, a couple quarters ago. It seems like just before Christmas, it was all anybody wanted to talk to about. But we've seen crypto trading generally across all various instruments drop fairly dramatically, probably in keeping with the prices of cryptos themselves. But it definitely got a lot of interest from a brand new generation of investors.
And Tim, do you still cheer when the president tweets, especially market-moving commentary or company-specific commentary? I remember you said that was good, though it seems to be having less of an impact.
Yeah, I think like many things, it's back to the complacency. If nothing happens as a result of tweets, you know, when the presidency happened, that was clearly something that we saw drove markets to a greater degree, and now just over time it hasn't. So it isn't an actual catalyst for trading activity as much as it was back in right after the election.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.